puppies. They're mixed puppies, but they're very, very beautiful. And what's her name? Jeannie. This is the only female, the lucky one. This is the female one. And two male one. This is Gino. Gino is my baby. This is little Gino. And what's your name?
Glee, I'm Glee.
Glenn. Glenn. That's Glenn. So this is Gino. This is Jeannie. And this is Glenn. Glenn, what are you looking at her?
Whoa.
Look at how beautiful, beautiful they are.
Yeah.
This is Gino.
I'm so
About 3 months old. And Jeannie, what happened to your ribbon? And this is Jeannie. And this is Glenn. 3 wonderful puppies looking for a home. They're very friendly to people and they're great with children, right? And they're good with dogs. So we hope to find them a very loving home soon. Alrighty guys, you want to hold her and say bye-bye together? Come on. Hold. Hey, hold here, Wesley. Hold here. Okay. And let's take up the paw and say bye-bye, Wesley. Take up the hair. Hold the hand.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.